Hello everyone, welcome back to our lecture series on ISO 11607. Today we will focus on the design requirements for sterile barrier systems and packaging systems. The design phase is crucial because it ensures that the packaging will maintain the sterility of the medical device from the time it is packaged until it is used. Let's explore the detailed design requirements as outlined in ISO 11607. Designing sterile barrier systems and packaging systems for medical devices requires careful consideration of various factors to ensure that the packaging maintains sterility, is easy to use, and meets regulatory standards. ISO 11607 provides comprehensive guidelines to help manufacturers achieve these goals. Key design requirements. Protection of sterility. The primary purpose of the packaging system is to protect the sterility of the medical device. This involves selecting materials and designs that prevent microbial contamination and maintain sterility until the point of use. Compatibility with sterilization processes. The design must be compatible with the chosen sterilization method, whether it be steam, ethylene oxide, gamma radiation, or another process. The materials and design should not degrade or compromise the sterility during and after the sterilization process. Materials and construction. Material selection. Materials used in the packaging must meet several criteria, including barrier properties, effective microbial barrier to prevent contamination, durability, sufficient strength to withstand handling, transportation, and storage. Compatibility must not interact negatively with the medical device or sterilization process. Non-toxicity. Safe for use with medical devices and not harmful to patients. Construction. The construction of the packaging should ensure that it remains intact under all anticipated conditions. This includes robust seals, tear resistance, and the ability to maintain integrity after sterilization. Usability and aseptic presentation. Ease of use. The packaging must be designed for ease of use by healthcare professionals. This includes features that allow for easy opening, handling, and removal of the medical device without compromising sterility. Aseptic presentation. The design should facilitate aseptic presentation, meaning that healthcare professional can access and use the medical device without contaminating it. This includes clear instructions and designs that minimize the risk of contamination during opening. Testing and validation. Design verification. Design verification involves testing to ensure that the packaging design meets the specified requirements. This includes integrity testing, ensuring that the packaging remains intact and maintains sterility under various conditions. Seal strength testing. Verifying that seals are robust enough to prevent microbial entry but can be opened easily and aseptically. Performance testing. Assessing the overall performance of the packaging system in protecting the device and maintaining sterility. Design validation. Design validation involves real-world testing to ensure that the packaging system performs effectively in actual use conditions. This includes microbial barrier testing, verifying that the packaging effectively prevents microbial ingress. Environmental conditioning. Testing the packaging under different environmental conditions such as temperature and humidity to ensure it maintains integrity and sterility. Transportation testing. Ensuring that the packaging can withstand the rigors of transportation without compromising sterility. In conclusion, designing effective sterile barrier systems and packaging systems is a complex but critical task. By adhering to the design requirements outlined in ISO 11607, manufacturers can ensure that their packaging systems provide reliable protection, facilitate aseptic presentation, and comply with regulatory standards. This not only safeguards patient health but also enhances the reliability and trustworthiness of medical devices. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.